A nice bunch, they're very white here.
Pumpkin, yes. Yeah, they're kind of like ready to eat the girl. Seriously, the man is seen. 5, 4, 3, 2. What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it's the last day of 2020, so I felt like I needed to vlog. I wanted to vlog Christmas and everything like that, but I didn't really want to be putting, you know, a camera in people's faces and everything. And I just wanted to spend time with my family, because who knows when next I'll be spending Christmas with them, or who knows what the future brings. So I just wanted to enjoy the moment. So I didn't really take videos of, you know, the whole Christmas celebration, but the few videos and pictures that I took, I'm gonna include them at the end of this video. So if you're interested, you can stay tuned for that. At the end, I'm gonna upload, you know, all my pictures and videos and everything. So yeah, anyways, I'm going to town. I'm trying to look for a bus there. Oh, look, a bus stop. So I'm aboard this bus and check back with y'all when I'm in town. Yeah, okay, let me board the bus, y'all. Okay. Good morning. Okay, y'all, I'll check y'all when I'm back in town. And put on my mask because, you know, you gotta. Okay, so I just got off the bus. I'm in town 5 minutes later. Yeah, y'all, so town is not as busy as I actually thought it would be. The funny thing is that the day before Christmas, the 24th, it was so busy, but now it's kind of just chill because there's no traffic backing up. So yeah, anyways, I got some stuff to do, so I'll take you guys with me and show y'all, you know, more stuff. I was supposed to go to West Tech. Now, if you don't know, if you're not from the Caribbean, for us to order things from online like Amazon or Forever 21, whatever whatever store in the US or online, we order it and we send it to West Tech Shipping, which is like a Caribbean thing. I think they're in St. Kitts as well, and Antigua, and I mean Grenada or something. But anyway, we send it down here, and for every pound you pay $10 and $6 for handling fee and insurance. Yeah, the line is so long, people. Like literally, that guy with the orange bag, he's at the back of the line, and there are about like 10 people in front of him. So, you know, I have some other things to do. I have to get a battery scale because, you know, this Christmas I probably put on like 7 pounds. I need to check my weight. You're having so much black cake and ice cream and food, so I need to get a new scale battery because the one I have doesn't work. So convenient, like, you know, during the Christmas season it didn't work, so I need to get that. You know what, let's walk. I don't know why I stand up there. I think it's because of the shade. And make sure they have no vehicles coming. And I need to get shampoo. I need to shampoo my hair today before church. Yeah, church tonight. So you have to do that. Why are the vehicle not moving? I'm trying to wait for the vehicle. It's a curse to look this good. Okay, y'all know I'm just. Anyways, I'm gonna go get this battery scale and stuff and go stand on the line at West Tech. This line here. And you know what's funny? I've been wanting Bath and Body Works products, and like as of maybe last year or earlier this year, people were trying to shove Bath and Body Works products down your throat. They're like, you know, $25 on this cream, $30 for this perfume, and I really wanted to get the coconut flavored cream or the Christmas whatever cinnamon. I really like the smell, or the Wakiki. So I've been checking people all on Instagram and stuff that used to sell it, and I'm like, hey, y'all got this? No one has it, because I wanted to, you know, support a small business, but I don't see anyone who has it. Well, nobody has the specific flavor that I wanted. So I might have to go into like a major store like Diamond Girl or something and purchase it, which sucks, but I want what I want. Anyways, let me go get this battery scale and yeah, go stand on West Tech to clear my goods. Let me show y'all town. So we got all the stuff here in front.
Nice sweet potatoes, darling.
Yes. So we have sweet potatoes and
Sweet
local
stuffing. That's a
onions.
nice yum burger.
Look at this.
A nice burger, very white here.
Pumpkin, yes. Okay, now this side. And here we have more stuff.
Yeah, for 5, yeah, for 10.
This is for that's nice. Grapefruits. Yo, this is where y'all come for all the local stuff. Right here in Viewport, in front of. This is where you get everything right here in front of House of Glam. We have nice lettuce and eggs, local stuff. So don't mind the stores. Come down here, you see all the vendors here. Better prices than in the supermarket. Alright. So I met this one at West Tech. Check it for box. So I got everything that I wanted in town. I literally had a list. Like when I go to town I need a list or else I forget stuff. So I got mostly everything. I wanted to get something for my face because I realized I'm getting like a breakout. I have no skincare routine and that's something I really want to do in the new year. That's my New Year resolution, to get a good skincare routine. I've been doing aloes, but I still like, it doesn't really, I don't know, I feel like it doesn't go with me. So if y'all have any tips or anything, stuff I should try out, please leave it in the comment below. But I don't know, I think I might have to go to Castries Skin Science and figure out, you know, what I should do, what I should get, because it's just like, I don't know, sometimes my skin looks really good, sometimes it looks really bad. I've stopped wearing makeup for a while because I want my skin to breathe. Like right now I'm not wearing any makeup and I only use moisturizer, but I think I need to get some sunscreen, like an SPF something, for when I'm out, like right now in the sun, because this cannot be good for my skin. So I just need to stop being sheesh and invest in my skincare, because your face is the first thing people see and I want to look radiant and everything. So, you know, but yeah, I got everything. I tried to vlog when I was getting my cream, my lotion. Well, we call it cream in the Caribbean, but lotion for y'all who don't live in St. Lucia. Well, I don't know what they call it in the Caribbean, but in St. Lucia we call it cream. I know my Jamaican friend used to call it lotion, so I don't know where St. Lucians get that cream thing from. But I did end up getting this cream, which is what I really wanted. I got it for $2, but it was $34.95 and I got 20% off. Y'all, it smells so good. I usually don't really like Bath and Body Works because it's so strong and I feel like it overpowers my perfume. But this one is like a vanilla. It's so good, and I like the coconut too, the Wakiki. Yeah. But anyways, I'm about to go get bus to on my home. I need a car, I need a ride. Hopefully I see somebody I know, but I doubt. So yeah, let's go look for bus, y'all. I'm tired and I'm hungry, but I cannot eat until 3 p.m. because I'm fasting. What car just started? Excuse me, the car backing up behind you. Yeah, the car is like ready to eat the girl. Seriously, the man is exactly. The man couldn't toot or something. So ridiculous. Let me show you all the vloggers. The man ready to eat the girl. The man he thought you toot or something. So ridiculous. This car right now, like crazy. Like no kind of self-awareness. These drivers. Anyways, bus time, and then I'll go home. So y'all, I am in Vieux-Fort town. My hair is a mess. Like, I have my afro going on. I shampooed my hair. Hopefully it dries soon, like by all the time. It's 7 o'clock. Hopefully this dries by 9 o'clock because church starts at 10 and I have to go get ready. But I have never seen Vieux-Fort so busy before. Like, it's after 7 and it looks like 4 o'clock, except, well, there's no sun. But this is crazy. Check this out. I'm gonna show you guys. It's insane. Town is crazy. It's insane. Look at the mall. There's a line outside the supermarket here. Why are they laughing? Yo, I've never seen the parking lot so full unless it's like 4 p.m. Crazy.
Because he's been good to us no matter what.
My vlog's gonna be lit.
Tell me when to come.
No, it's already 12.
15, 14. What's that?
All right.
9.
2.
Happy New Year, everyone.
And now we want to shout the highest praise tonight, the highest note of praise. And that highest note is hallelujah. That's the language that is known all over the world. It's one language. And even in heaven, they shout hallelujah. So let's shout after 3, 2, 3. Hallelujah! Come on, clap and rejoice in the Lord. Hallelujah. For the new year. Hallelujah.
Happy New Year, y'all. I literally just left church. It was great, so positive. Such an awesome way to open the new year. I just want to wish you guys prosperity, good health, whatever your heart desire, whatever resolution you made, I hope you keep it. I just have a good feeling about this year. I feel like this year is going to be positive. I can't wait to, do more vlogs next year. Well, this year, sorry. I cannot wait to just, more vlogs, more fun, better health. Everything is just gonna be amplified this year. So after the year we've had, 2020, this year is just like, I feel like a blessing, like a bright sunshine on a cloudy day. After the year we've had, this year I just want it to be like positive, and I hope you guys exude this positivity that I feel like I am. And yeah, let's just embrace this new year and have fun and blessings. Oh yes, hi Antonio, past student. But yeah, y'all, it's gonna be good. So love you guys. Thank you for subscribing and following, and see you in 2021. See you some more in this year.